Hey kids, so because of the coronavirus, teachers and students are forced to work at home. Some are going to hate it. They love to socialize and it's going to be torture. Meanwhile, some kids will actually love it. I'm going to love it. School's out and online learning is in, which begs the question, will remote learning help or hurt our children? Let's see. This is my own personal take on remote learning. What I say is not the opinion of any school or any department of education. This is solely my opinion. Look, I'm experienced with online learning. I took a course on how to write a book called Finish Your Damn Book. Cost me like $50. Well worth it because I ended up writing a book after that. Meanwhile, I've had some poor experiences. I bought this course for $25. I love marketing. I got through 2 classes, haven't used it since, even worse. Spent $1,000 on a booked and paid to speak course. I got through 4 lessons, twice. The last lesson I got to, the man was telling me to make a speech and record it. I made a speech, I recorded it, haven't edited yet, and I am where I am today. But I swear to God, I will edit the speech. Thank you, Ashkir, for filming it for me, and I will finish the course one day. But that's one of the beauties of online learning. If you missed it, and you have lifetime access to the course, you can always restart when you have time. So, who will love online learning? Look, you'll love it if you are disciplined. If you are the type to wake up early in the morning and you have a set schedule and you just do what you have to do when you have to do it, you will be fine. This will probably even be better for you. All right? If you love watching YouTube now and learning, this is going to be a piece of cake for you. I love YouTube. I watch a lot of Minority Mindset. This Sikh guy named Jaspreet gives me advice on my money. Here's another guy, Graham Stephen, whose videos I watch. Look, I can exercise for half an hour and just watch one of these videos and learn. And that's what a lot of online learning is. You're not forced to sit in the classroom for 45 minutes. You can watch a 15-minute video, do the homework, submit it, you're good to go. You're a quick learner, this is going to be great. I mean, in college, sometimes I hated sitting down for an hour and a half, 3-hour lecture. The professor would give me 10 pages. I'd read the 10 pages in 20 minutes. I know exactly what's going on, yet I'd still have to sit for the whole 90-minute class to figure out what's going on. But with online learning, teachers give you the work. You can do it. You submit it. You're good to go. There will be kids who will struggle with online learning. I mean, if you have problems focusing in class, how the heck are you gonna sit down and watch a video? All right? There's no teacher there to put your phone away for texting, put your phone away for games, so you will have to be disciplined. And if you are not disciplined, this may be a challenge. If you're the type who needs a teacher to motivate you, you're in trouble. You're either gonna do nothing or you're gonna be accountable and you're gonna do the work. Nobody's gonna hold your hand anymore. So, does online learning work? The answer is, it depends on the student. Some students will just do the work no matter what. Other students won't do anything, regardless of what you tell them. Lou Diamond Phillips actually did the work in the movie, but that's because he had a great teacher. What now? Well, ladies and gentlemen, this is the new normal. We will be learning online till April 20th, maybe for the rest of the year, maybe for the next few years, who knows? But whether you like it or not, you better get used to online learning. Will it help or hurt our children? It really doesn't matter what you think. How can you excel in remote learning? Check your Google Classroom. Teachers are going to leave work. Do it! Now, If your teacher has lecture hours, log on. I plan on going on YouTube Live every Monday and Thursday at 10 a.m. Then I'm gonna switch to Zoom. If you haven't signed up with Zoom or YouTube, log on to teach your lectures. I plan on teaching at 10 a.m. Monday through Thursday. Thursday at 10 a.m. on YouTube Live. Come on, ask me a question. You have a Zoom account. We can speak in Zoom at about 10:30, 4 days a week. Friday, I'm still gonna keep my phone open 2 hours a day. If any students have questions, I'm gonna be checking my email constantly. So let's communicate. Check your pupil path. Check your Gmail. Teachers are gonna be leaving you assignments via email. You return it via email or share. Like I said before, this is the new normal. You just have to get used to this. I'd appreciate a thumbs up. Your teachers are getting paid to help you succeed. Make them work. You don't get it? Email them. Call them. Leave a comment on YouTube. Do whatever you have to do. Remember, it's their job to help you pass, but they can only do so much. It's really your job to get yourself to pass and learn. All right, here's my prediction on remote learning 2020. It's gonna be about the way it's always been. The kids who show up to class are going to be the same kids who are going to be checking their email, watching the lessons, and submitting the work online. The kids who don't show up to class won't even log on. It's probably easier for everybody else. Not that we don't care for those children that we'll be calling homes and referring some to guidance, because I care. And it is what it is. Some kids will and some kids won't, and I will try to put the salt in the horse's mouth, but if the horse doesn't drink after I stuff its mouth with salt, I don't know what to do. There will be those who don't do the work regardless of what I do. Sometimes TikTok, Instagram, other forms of social media are more interesting than learning online, and I get it. Like I said, I've failed online courses. You want to play games, you want to eat, sleep, smoke up, make excuses. You do you, it's your life. I'm going to try to get you to do work, but some kids don't want to do work. They just want to do them. In conclusion, look, just log on and do the work. Your 7-hour teaching day has just become 2 to 3 hours of daily work. You don't have to sit in rooms anymore for 7 hours. With the work you're probably going to get, you can probably bang it out in 2 to 3 hours. Some of you who are geniuses, less. Don't squander your free time. Look, you're going to have so much free time during this break. Take advantage and do something with your life. Learn. I'm out here learning how to invest in stocks. It's a good time, I heard, but don't take my advice. I'm not your financial analyst. Be productive. I knew a student who graduated last year. This high school student wrote a book series. I think she wrote like 10 books. Study for the SAT. What else are you going to do? I'm sure a lot of colleges are probably going to ask you, what did you do during your coronavirus hiatus? Start a business. I'm a teacher. I got 3 kids. I have a wife. I have a family. I wrote 2 books. I still started a business. What's your excuse? And in an age of social distancing, it's still okay to keep in touch with people online. Look, many people are home. Many people are lonely. If you're thinking about someone and you just want to say, hey, what's up? How's it going? Haven't seen you in a while. Just want to know how's it going. Send that text. I'm sure a lot of people are looking to connect. And then, you can all hang out when this mess goes away, if it goes away. So are you excited about remote learning? Leave a comment below. Throw me a thumbs up or a thumbs down. I don't really care. Subscribe to my channel if you need to keep in touch with these lessons. But I'm here to teach. Hopefully you're here to learn. And hopefully the next few weeks will be enjoyable for all of us. Thank you.